Alright, and welcome back. So the great feature about React is that it updates the DOM or the document object model only when it is necessary. And when is it necessary? Of course, when there has been a change to the document object model. Also, another cool thing about React is that React only updates what is necessary. So what does that mean? It means that React DOM compares the element and its children to previous ones and only applies the DOM updates that are necessary to reach the new desired state. Does that sound confusing? Let's see that in action. So to demonstrate that, I'm going to this time work on the index.js file. So what I'll do is I'll create a function named function tick. And in this function, what we are going to do is we are going to declare an element like so. We'll have a division and some h1 tag, and I'll name it hello clock, and then I will put up a message. It is new date to local time string. So basically we are trying to display the time over here in our home page. So this is our division, and next what I'll do is I'll copy this React DOM render function and I'll place it over here. And instead of this particular app component, I'll be rendering the element component. And finally, we have to call this function tick. So this function tick, I'm going to call every second. So I'll pass, in the set interval function, I'll pass the callback function as tick, and I'll set it up to execute after every 1 second or 1000 milliseconds. So if I save it now, if I come back to the browser, I should see that our timer is working fine. So we are able to see the seconds being updated. So let's go ahead and inspect this. And if I open the view and if I drag it here, you could see this blink happening over here. And if I expand it further, I should be able to see what's happening down here. And if you notice over here, after each second when the tick function is being called, it is updating the timer. However, as you can notice, the rest of the HTML tags are as it is. So no change over there. So React basically is not rendering what has already been rendered and has not been changed. It is only changing what is necessary, and that is, in this case, the new time. And this is a great part about React, due to which its performance is so high when you're trying to render a lot of content on the screen. React only renders what is necessary, and this is something that you should keep in mind going forward as you work on React. So that was all about the React DOM update process. In the next video, we are going to look at components in React. We'll be covering class components as well as functional components, so stay tuned for that.